So you've been to the pub and enjoyed the output of a few LLMs. If that reference doesn't make any sense to you, go back and watch this video. But now you cross the road to the upmarket bar. The barman here has a different skill set and access to different resources to the one at the pub, so you decide to order a cocktail. Here they use spirits and mixers as building blocks when creating a drink. But how is that related to MCPs or Model Context Protocol, you ask? Well, we probably need to explain how they work before the dirty martinis kick in. Picture the LLM as your bartender. Not one of those flair bartenders who flips bottles around like they're auditioning for Britain's Got Talent. No, this one is efficient, polite, and somehow remembers your order from 2014. Behind them is a wall of spirits. Each bottle is the equivalent of an MCP server, a single, neat capability. Rum, gin, vodka, tequila, each one does one thing and does it well. Combine them and the magic things happen. Let's meet the bottles. Vodka is our file reader. Clear, neutral, gets the job done. You ask the AI to read a document, that's a vodka shot. No drama, no fuss, no flavour either, but we don't judge. Gin is like a search tool. Botanical, complex, and slightly chaotic. Perfect for when the AI needs to go rummaging around for information. Think of it as the spirit that says, I've got this, probably. Rum is data analysis. Warm, deep, and occasionally responsible for questionable decisions. When you need numbers crunched or patterns spotted, Rum steps in with a reassuring, don't worry, I've done this before. Tequila is like system commands. Strong, dangerous, should come with a warning label. When the AI needs to run something on your system, that's tequila territory. Best handled carefully, ideally with lime and a prayer. And triple sec is for formatting and polishing. The unsung hero adds the finishing touch, turns your messy request into something that looks intentional. Now here's where it gets fun. You don't walk into a bar and say, one shot of everything please. Well, you can, but the paramedics will have questions. Instead you order a cocktail, a combination of spirits mixed to create exactly what you want. That's how MCPs work. You ask the AI, summarise this PDF and turn it into a chart. The bartender thinks, right, vodka for reading, rum for analysis, triple sec for presentation, shake it like you mean it. Boom. A perfectly mixed cocktail of capabilities. Another example, find me the best flights and put them in a table. Gin for searching, vodka for reading, triple sec for formatting, and maybe a splash of rum if the data looks like it was organised by a toddler. This is the beauty of MCPs. You don't need to know which spirits go into your drink, you just say what you want and the AI mixes the right shots together. It's modular, it's flexible, it's basically the cocktail menu of the AI world, except you don't wake up the next morning regretting your choices. So next time you ask an AI to do something, imagine a very competent bartender assembling the perfect cocktail of tools behind the scenes. Each MCP is a spirit, your request is the order, and the AI is the one mixing it all together, without spilling anything, showing off, or asking for a tip. Cheers!